Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to paint this super cute little baby chick hatching from its egg. The first step I am going to do is to paint the chick itself, and I'm using a deep yellow. It's a Dixie Belle color, Colonel Mustard. You can purchase the Dixie Belle paint on our website at buildacross.com. You can also purchase this shape unfinished at buildacross.com. And I'm coming down with the little chick body because with the yellow I'm coming down a little further than it looks like it would, because he's going to be cracking out of this egg, so I'm going to have like these little marks up here, and I want to make sure I had enough yellow going down into the egg. And I'm painting the egg itself a color called Peacock. I'm using a angled brush to paint the egg. I'm using that because of the sharp points on the cracks of the egg. It's a lot easier to make those sharp points if you're using an angled brush. I'm also using an angled brush to make the nose. It's kind of hard to see at this point in the video. I'm sorry, not the nose, the beak. It's kind of hard to see at this point in the video because of the glare, but I made the beak with orange, and I'm coming back and I'm making them some little black eyes. Now I'm adding polka dots to the shell itself. It's a decorated Easter egg. He wasn't boiled, obviously, because he hatched, but somehow he was still decorated. I'm using a sponge brush and white paint. I'm making these opaque, big polka dots. As you can see, I'm not completely covering, so the blue's showing through. Now I'm going to go back on my chick, and you can't really see it until it starts drying some more, but I am taking the orange and I'm outlining the outside of its face and its little wings here. And you can see the nose now that it's dried a little bit more. The glare's not messing with it as much, and you can kind of see more of the detail of, I'm sorry, not the nose, the beak. Now I'm coming back with a #1 round paintbrush, and I'm just adding these half circles to the polka dots with this bright fuchsia pink. I also used a #1 circle brush to do the orange highlighting around the chick. Now I'm going to take a 00 brush, and I'm going to outline around everything with black. I outlined around the egg itself with black, but I left the chick without the black outline. That way it gave them a little more of a separation. Now I'm coming back with the same brush, a 00, with white paint and accenting a little bit more. I'm going over some of the black, and then I'm accenting the little chick and all of its orange with a little bit of white. This just helps brighten it up so it doesn't become dark, because you really want your door hanger to pop from a distance. So I'm using bright colors, and I want to make sure I give it good highlights. And that's it, guys. There you have it. A super cute little baby chick for an Easter door hanger.